Bonjour. Today we are going to see the articles in French, les articles. There are different types of articles in French, and today we are going to see the definite articles and indefinite articles in French. Les articles indéfinis et les articles définis. The indefinite article in English is a or an, and the definite article in English is the, and we are going to see the French equivalents. Les articles sont toujours placés devant les noms. The articles are always placed in front of the nouns. Les articles doivent accorder avec le nom un nombre et un genre. The articles should agree with the nouns in number and in gender. Number means singular or plural. Gender means masculine or feminine. Il n'y a pas de règle pour déterminer le genre des noms. Il faut regarder dans le dictionnaire. There is no rule for determining or to identifying the genders of the nouns. It is necessary that you have to look into a dictionary. Okay, so now let's see les articles indéfinis, the indefinite articles in French. The indefinite articles in English are a or an. For that you have three equivalent forms in French: un, une, des. Un, une, des. Ang is used with masculine singular nouns. Une is used with feminine singular nouns. They is used with masculine or feminine plural nouns. So, in the previous slide I have told you that there is no specific rule for determining the gender of the nouns. You have to refer to a dictionary. So, if you want to say a book in French, the word for book in French is livre and its gender is masculine. So, you will say un livre, a book. A car means une voiture. Voiture means car and its gender is feminine. And the plural forms are des livres, des voitures. Some books, some cars. You don't have such a article in English, but you have that they in French. Okay. Now moving on to les articles définis, the definite articles. The definite article in English is the, and for that the you have four equivalent forms in French: le, la, l'apostrophe and les. Le, la, l'apostrophe and les. Le is used with masculine singular nouns starting with consonants. La is used with feminine singular nouns starting with consonants. L'apostrophe is used with masculine or feminine singular nouns starting with vowels and semi-vowels. Les is used with masculine and feminine plural nouns. And l'apostrophe doesn't have a pronunciation when it stands alone. Its pronunciation is linked with the noun that comes after it. Okay, now see, the book. The word for book in French is livre. Le livre. Livre is masculine and it is starting with a consonant. So we use le livre. The car. The word for car in French is voiture. It is feminine. It is starting with a consonant. So you will use la voiture. The man. The word for man in French is homme. It is masculine, but it is starting with a semi-vowel. So you are using l'homme, l'apostrophe. The clock. The word for clock in French is horloge. It is feminine, but it is starting with a semi-vowel. So you are using l'apostrophe, l'horloge, the clock. And the plural forms are les livres, les voitures, les hommes, les horloges. Les livres, the books. Les voitures, the cars. Les hommes, the men. Les horloges, the clocks. Okay, so I'll just sum up. I will just give you a quick recap. Indefinite article, les articles indéfinis en français sont un, une, des. The indefinite article in French are un, une and des. Un is used with masculine singular nouns, une is with feminine singular nouns, and des with masculine and feminine plural nouns. And les articles définis en français sont le, la, l'apostrophe and les. The definite articles in French are le, la, l'apostrophe and les. Le is used with masculine singular nouns starting with consonants. La is used with feminine singular nouns starting with consonants. L'apostrophe is used with masculine or feminine singular nouns starting with vowels and semi-vowels. And les is used with masculine and feminine plural nouns. So we have seen a good number of examples here. Now let's see more examples in the form of an exercise. Complete. Complète avec, it is understood that complète avec les articles définis ou les articles indéfinis. Complete with definite articles or indefinite articles. So here I have given you the answers in red, bold, in a red ink. So you'll understand that's the answer. Paul a une belle maison. Paul a une belle maison means Paul has a beautiful house. Maison is feminine and so you're using une. Paul a une belle maison. Paul has a beautiful house. Ce sont les amis de Paul. These are the friends of Paul. Ami is masculine, plural, so you're using les, Elias. Paul étude dans une université allemande. University is feminine in French, so you're using une. Paul is studying in a German university. Paul a aussi des amis français. Paul also has some French friends. Ami is masculine plural, so using they. Les parents de Paul habitent en France. The parents of Paul are staying in France. Parents is masculine plural, so using les. Paul a une petite sœur. Paul has a small sister. Sœur is feminine, so using une. Paul aime la cuisine et la lecture. Paul likes cooking. Paul likes the cooking and the reading. So if you want to do a exercise with definite or indefinite articles, first you have to read the sentence and understand the meaning, and then put the appropriate articles. So in the next class, let's see where to use definite articles and where to use indefinite articles. Merci beaucoup. Bonne continuation.